PendleTV, brought to you by Pendle Lease. I'm Ross, and in the coming weeks we're going to be reviewing some real-world and attainable and affordable cars for you and explaining a little bit more how leasing works. But today, for our first video, I wanted to bring you something a little bit more exciting. So we're out here in the beautiful sunshine in the Hampshire countryside in Beaulieu, surrounded by millions of pounds worth of supercars. So we're going to have a little walk around today, see some cars speeding up and down. Let's go and have a little look.
Whoa, that's loud.
Yeah, Dad wanted one of them.
So thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our first video just as much as we've enjoyed making it. And like I said at the start, make sure you stay tuned, because over the next coming weeks we're going to have some exciting real-world attainable cars and discuss all of the leasing options available to you. So make sure you click that subscribe button, hit the bell notifications and leave a like on this video. See you soon.